Everybody, how are you? Today we're going to be doing the diphthong vowel sound ear, as in year. So just remember that diphthong vowel sounds are a combination of two vowel sounds put together. This one comes from I and put together to make ear. So look at me, let's practice with the pronunciation of it. Ear. Ear. So repeat after me. Ear. Ear. As we've discussed with other vowels, this vowel sound has many different ways of spelling it as well. For example, let's look at some words. We'll start with ear. Ear. Near. Ear. Fear. Ear. Here. And here. But this is another spelling for here. Notice they are both pronounced exactly the same. Just a different spelling. I hear you are near here today. Can you say this one? Have a go. Beard. Beard. Do you like my beard? My wife doesn't. Do you also notice with the EAR we don't pronounce the R sound? Some words are only spelt with EA, like, eel, real, and idea. And let's look at another spelling of the ear sound. Ear, beer. I love beer. Ear, cheer. Cheers, beer. Ear, peer, and ear, dear. Let's put some of those in a sentence. I cheers beers with my peers. Let's practice some more sentences. So, my peer is in fear of a deer coming near. And he nearly spilt his beer on his peer's beard. Oh, what a waste. That's it for the phonics practice today. And just practice, 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 remember. And if you think of any ear sounding words that are interesting, or can be any, leave it in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Okay, so bye-bye.